What are the different stages of digestion? We can understand this in two ways. Look at this diagram. It is a rough sketch of the human digestive system. The first step of digestion happens in the mouth. Food is taken in, chewed, broken down, and sent down the throat. Food is pushed down by the peristaltic movement of the esophagus. The food then reaches the stomach, where it is partially digested and sent to the duodenum. Most of the digestion happens in the duodenum, where proteins, fats, and starch are broken down and then sent further to the jejunum and ileum. Very little digestion happens here, but a lot of absorption takes place. All the simple substances like amino acids, fatty acids, glucose, and vitamins and minerals too are absorbed into the bloodstream. And all the indigested waste, along with water, is sent to the large intestine. Here, water is absorbed and the remaining indigestible matter is stored in the rectum, waiting to be passed out of the anus. This was a short summary of how the digestion takes place in the human body. The other way to look at this is by classifying each part of the process. There are 5 main parts. Intake of food and chewing it would be classified as ingestion. We ingest the food, or we say that we consumed it. This happens in the mouth. Then the enzymes present in various juices break the food into smaller and simpler substances. This process is called digestion. And this primarily happens in the stomach and the small intestine. And the only reason why food is broken down is so that it can be absorbed by the cells of our body. It is absorbed into the bloodstream via the villi present on the walls of the small intestine. This would be called absorption. Ingestion is intake of food, digestion is breaking it down to simple substances, and absorption is absorbing the nutrients by the cell. These simple food molecules are either stored or used to perform various functions. Functions like producing energy, building up of the body, and repairing it too. This part is called the assimilation. We say that the food is assimilated by the body, which means that it is consumed and utilized. Water is absorbed in the large intestine, and the remaining undigested food is removed from the body. This is called egestion. These are the 5 important stages: ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and egestion. This is how digestion happens in humans, but it may differ in other animals. Did you know that a cow has 4 compartments in a stomach? Yes, and their digestion process is extremely interesting. We see that in the next video.